and there are reasons why. It helps with verification. You get tracking. If you ever have to go to court for some reason, you have a paper trail because the bureaus need to respond within 15 to 30 days depending on how you're disputing. So that certified mail lets you know when they've received it. You have the USPS tracking, and those are all things you're going to need just in case you get sued, and it's going to help you keep track of when they're typically supposed to respond by. So if you can't afford certified, then just send regular mail. I think that's just fine. If certified mail is a stretch, regular, it's called first class mail, that's okay. You can still get results. Certified mail, in my opinion, for just someone individually disputing their credit is always the best thing to be done. But as long as you can accomplish the goal of getting your credit fixed, then I'm okay with just saying you can use regular or first class, really depending on your budget. So smash that like button for me if you like watching this video. Another thing is, can I apply for credit when I'm getting my credit fixed if I'm doing it myself or with your company? You can apply for credit. No one's holding a gun to your head to do it. But during the credit repair process, you're just going to incur more inquiries and you're just going to hold up the process. The only card I would recommend getting is a secured credit card that does not pull your credit report at all. It is the credit card builder. I have it down below in a link, credit card builder, credit card. When you become a part of my system, you get 2 emails letting you know what the credit card builder is as well. So it's the only secure credit card I would say it's okay to apply for. And pretty much any other credit card that you want to get, you're going to be in major trouble because it will probably result in an inquiry. So the credit card builder is okay, in my opinion. It's an okay credit card to get. It's a $200 limit, $200 deposit. So it's one of those cards where if you use it, you got to pay it back because it's a cash secured card. And what that means is literal cash, like your hard-earned cash is backing that card. So it's most important that you get your credit fixed. If not, it doesn't matter how you send it in some sense. A lot of people send their socials, and for me, if my client has a social security card, I'm sending that social security card to the bureaus because that's just going to help in verification. Was it completely necessary to send a social? No, the bureaus have said that if you just send a photo ID and a utility bill, it's fine. But for me, I've had my disputes sent back, like in the mail. They'll literally send them back to the address, and they will just say they couldn't verify the social. So now I just send whatever I can to make sure that client's gonna be taken care of. Another thing is, don't fall for the Credit Karma trap, and smash that like button for me. Thank you so much. When you look at Credit Karma, it's gonna have like a bar. And it's gonna be like red, yellow, green, where you place in how the likelihood of you getting a specific credit card. But don't believe that, because I'm going to be honest with you, a lot of the times it is wrong. And really what they want you to do is when you click those links, they're getting paid because those are affiliate links. Not that that's a bad thing. If that's how they make their money, that's fine. But what they're doing is they're just pretty much trying to close a deal, and you're the deal they're trying to close by you getting approved for that credit card. They get some money out of it. So they want you to get credit cards through their link because that's how they make their money. If you could smash that like button, that'd be great. So it's not the most accurate, as I've said before. A lot of people are always messaging me, Miles, I applied for a card that was on Credit Karma. It said I was in the green, almost 100% perfect. I was going to get it. And then they got denied. A lot of times it could be because they had a late payment, they had collections. And I've seen people with 720 FICO scores that have a couple collections. Because those collections are on there, they're going to get denied. And there's nothing you can really do about that without either paying off the collections or just getting it fixed. That's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having a great day. Like and subscribe.